Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will show you how to mount FAT32 formatted USB stick on OpenBSD. First of all, on OpenBSD write sysctl hw.disk names to show all the hard disk in your computer. Later, insert the USB stick. A blue message will pop up telling you that the USB stick is inside. Write another time sysctl hw.disk names. You will see a new name, in this case SD1. Now mount dev your USB name plus I, because I makes the system recognizes it as a USB stick, otherwise it will be recognized as a hard disk without the I. And let's mount it to MNT, the standard part where we mount USB devices or external hard disk. Now change directory to MNT ls to show the content. This means that the USB stick is recognized because the system volume information is a file that Windows computers put on the USB stick. Now cd again, you mount /mnt to make the USB stick is unmounted from the system, and detach the USB stick. Now you know how to mount a USB stick in OpenBSD. See you later guys.